Welcome to Pizza Party, everybody. I'm America's Griddler, Todd Tobin, and I am your guest host today. Blackstone's brand new pizza oven. Today we're gonna make a Thai chicken pizza. As you can see, we're getting a little bit of snow today. And if you watch my videos on Let's Give It a Try or my personal YouTube channel, you'll know that I rolling pinned my dough. A lot of people got mad at me, but check it out. Today, I hand stretched this, literally hand stretched it. I did take a shortcut. I used the Delalo pizza dough kit, but I hand stretched this. No rolling pin was used. And check this out. We are gonna use the Mayploy, I always say Mayploy sweet chili sauce. Basically, it's sugar, chili peppers, and garlic. My spoon is frozen. Everything is frozen. You can see I got a little bit of cilantro in there. This is a beautiful and perfect pizza sauce. When you're making a Thai chili pizza, baby, sweet chili sauce. Frozen Monterey Jack. It's so cold out here today, friends, so a little bit of frozen Monterey Jack. Semi-frozen cilantro. It was totally fresh a few minutes ago. So a little bit of cilantro on there. And I have these semi-frozen zucchini slices. Some carrots, which are starting to freeze. Hey folks, I live in Colorado, by the way. Make sure you hit that thumbs up and subscribe. Chicken, let's pull it and finish prepping our pizza. Beautiful griddled chicken thigh pieces. And we're gonna sprinkle these on the pizza. I had an accident with my garlic powder. Let's just leave it at that. So I have to hand sprinkling my garlic powder today. A little extra Monterey Jack on top, just to seal the deal, if you will. And then last but not least, I'm gonna drizzle the sweet chili sauce across the top of the pizza. Stone temperature is about 750, 770 degrees. The sun is going down, but our Thai chicken pizza is getting slid into the pizza oven, baby. It's been just under a minute, so I'm gonna go in there and we're gonna take a look. We're gonna look underneath the crust, see that? Perfect. Like I said, in my earlier videos, some people got mad at me because I didn't do a Neapolitan crust. I used a rolling pin. Hey, I'm a beginner at this. Turns out the secret was I needed more dough. I didn't have enough dough, so I had to roll it, make it really thin so it could stretch. But today I was able to hand stretch it. And if you had any questions on whether or not it's safe to cook in the cold, well, it's about 20 degrees in almost blizzard conditions. I think there's your answer. All right, I think it's been about 90 seconds to 2 minutes. Oh my goodness, hopefully you don't mind a cold and frozen cutting board, but take a look at that. I'm even gonna drizzle a little bit of sriracha on top to set it off. I mean, this is gonna be a beautiful color contrast. Take a look at that. I have my brand new Blackstone pizza rocker. You can see it looks like we've had it in Siberia. Here we go. I am a pizza cutter guy through and through, but since Blackstone has this brand new pizza rocker, I'm definitely taking advantage of it. This thing works really well. Hopefully the folks that got mad at me for using a rolling pin are watching today because I stretched my dough. I don't think we're gonna get a cheese pull because it's getting so cold in here. By the way, check out the crust. Hopefully you can see the crust. Beautiful, beautiful crust today. Let's give it a try. So good. And I'm glad that I finally got to stretch some dough. I'm telling you what though, any way you slice it, that is a delicious pizza. So thank you so much for watching, and thank you for coming along on this journey. Okay, I'm new to pizza ovens. If you're interested in the Blackstone Pizza Oven, you can buy it at blackstoneproducts.com. You can get temperatures in that puppy up close to 1,000 degrees. I've had mine to about 950 degrees or so. So it is amazing. Hopefully the picture is doing it justice. There's not a lot of people brave enough to cook pizzas in the Rocky Mountains at night in the middle of January in a snowstorm, but I can do it. So this is Todd. Thanks for watching. This is Pizza Party, baby.